Hey everyone, CPO here, and this is another guest install video. This time it's the Auxmart grill. They call it the Eagle Eye Beast Grill, and it's got like a mesh grid back behind the slots. Anyway, my buddy Reed did the install video on this one, so check it out.
Hey everyone, I'm doing a little video for CPO. Show the install on this grill. It's pretty good so far. It's wrapped really good. You see it comes with the instructions. It comes with your, I don't know what you would call that, but double-sided tape. Over here, you'll see has all the clips. It also has the little rivets for your rubber, I don't know, gasket, whatever you want to call it. Looking at the grill, it's not too bad. I will have to drill this hole out. As you can see, it's hasn't been cleaned. Coming around, it's not too bad. Yeah, look right here, you can see, seems pretty round. This side might have a little issue. There's a little imperfection down the bottom right, and I'll show you that in the video later. Okay, so now we got to remove the factory grill. You have to remove these 6 clips. You know, just pop them out, all 6 of them. Just a screwdriver, just pull them up, no big deal. Going through, okay, 5, 6, okay, they're all out. Then we're gonna go down here to the light. All you do is twist the bulb down, twist the fitting down. Same thing on the driver's side. Down and out. Okay, I removed all the clips. There's 6 of them. Lights are loose. Now you just pull your grill out. Okay, next we're going to pop out our lights. Here's your little clips. Just line them up. Your lights pop out. We'll go over here to the that's reverse, so this is the driver's side. Nice and easy. Okay, I'm just going to clean this up. Here, just a utility knife will probably do it. Not terrible. It's not a deal breaker. Now, I'm just going to set up this grill exactly like the factory. I'm going to have to put a clip here, 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 and there. And also add this top strip as per the instructions. The instructions are really good, so just follow them. All right, let me get to this. Okay, so I pulled all the clips out of the little bag, and we're just gonna push them on, all 6. Do not forget around the lights. Nice and easy. You don't have to force anything on these grills. Very simple. Okay, all our clips are on, so now I'm going to insert the turn signals. Just pop them in. Just make sure you have them on the correct side. Left hand, right hand. So far, everything's fitting up pretty good. And now we will put this strip, this whatever the strip is, on. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and loosen up the adhesive for this strip. I'm going to go ahead and insert this pin. I will flip it in. I'm not pulling all of the adhesive covering off yet, so I wanted to get that first one in. Okay, I removed the strip, set this other pin in, try and keep it from sticking as best as I can. Just start it here, lay it down, just try and get a nice straight lay, and it's on. There's your grill. Now we're going to just put the lights in. Remember, they just go in and twist. Hold it up, don't put any strain on your electrical stuff. Again, popped in. I'm just gonna go ahead and fit this up. There we go. Make sure all your clips are in, or it's just not gonna hold tight. Go ahead and insert your rivets back in. All 6 of them. Make sure they're nice and up. Looks like they need to be forced a little bit. Maybe it's the thickness of the new grill, but they're all going down. A little persuasion. All right. The grill is all installed. The directions aren't bad. I don't know if you really need the instructions. If they tell you to throw something away on the instructions, like I saw, I wouldn't throw them away. I'd keep it. Just the pins for the grill on top. Again, thanks GPO. Grill fits pretty good. I was worried about a little imperfection over here. You can't really see it. It's not noticeable. So there's your grill. Thanks again, CPO.
Hey Reed, thanks again for the awesome video. You made it look so easy. Anyway, guys, go check out the Auxmart Eagle Eye Beast Grill. The link for the product is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.